Welcome back to the Brew Glitter Variety Show. I'm your happy holiday host, Kim Krall, and well, it's Christmas week, everybody. So Merry Christmas, and let's make some holiday drinks, shall we? Live from Brew Glitter Bar, it's Christmas. Now, we're gonna make what I like to call a dive bar whiskey sour. So bartenders who are watching, please don't come at me. I absolutely know real whiskey sours with an egg white. We're not doing all of that nonsense. We're doing a dive bar one because that's what I like to drink. Here we are, we're gonna start with this. We're gonna build it in the glass. We're gonna do cranberry. We're gonna begin by doing some muddling. Everybody loves a good muddle. Just gonna get in there and muddle. Ooh, do you hear those cranberries pop? I don't think I've ever heard a cranberry pop like that. It's fantastic. Oh, it's gonna make it extra sour. So we love an extra sour. All right, next we're going to put our whiskey, of course. Whiskey in, 2 ounces, generous amount. We got our sour right here. And then of course, I'm not gonna forget the most important part. We're gonna make this thing sparkle with red brew glitter. We're just gonna put it right in there and shake it in there. Here we go. It's a good amount. Oh, you can already see it. Here we go. Okay. And of course, ice. Get some ice in there. Oop. Here we go. All right. I'm gonna shake it. Shake this. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Does everyone sing while they make drinks during Christmas time? I'm gonna strain it. Here we go. Oh, look at that thing sparkle. Cranberry, whiskey sour, dive bar style. Should we try it? We should try it. Of course we're gonna try it. Every good bartender tries their drinks, right? Ooh, that is...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whiskey sour with a little bit of cranberry. Perfect. Also, I love this because you can make a big batch of it and you can share it. You can put it in a pitcher, have a party, and people are gonna love it all night. All right, we're gonna make a drink that is a little bit more for your bougie guests. We're gonna make a pomegranate gin fizz. How we're gonna start, we're gonna use the rimming sugar. We're gonna use Brew Glitter Blizzard rimming sugar. We're gonna rim our glass and make it extra sparkly. Grab your martini glass, put it in the lime juice or lemon juice, whatever you want. And then, this is my favorite part. Look how perfect this is. Woo! Look how beautiful that is. All right, we can set the rimming sugar aside. Grab our shaker. We're gonna grab like a healthy amount of pomegranate seeds. I pre-cut those. I don't think you wanted to watch me do that. All right, here we go. We got a little handful of that. And I'm gonna squeeze some lemons in. Squeeze some lemons in, like 2. I'll do 3. Let's go here, okay. And we got our gin. Of course, that's an important part of the entire thing. About 2 ounces. Maybe more, I don't know. It's the holidays. We got through the year. You can have more than 2 ounces. We're gonna do a little bit of simple syrup to kind of cut the sourness of the lime. A little bit there, all right. Get it all over the counter. And then of course, we gotta sparkle it up. We're gonna use the blue brew glitter right here. Ready for this? Okay. Blue is my favorite color, so I kind of want to use a little bit more, but I'm not going to but blue is my favorite color. All right, here we go. Now, of course, ice. Get some ice in here. This drink is gonna be really pretty. Are you excited? All right, here. Ooh. Look at that. Already, look at the tin. It's already sparkling. Ooh. I never want to look at my face while I'm shaking. I feel like every bartender makes a goofy face while they're shaking. And then when you try not to make a goofy face, you look like a psychopath because you're like, Stepford wife. All right, you ready for this? You ready for all of the blue sparkle in the world? Ooh, ah. I think we nailed this. I think we nailed this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Like I said, this is for your bougie guests. You can just hand it out to your guests and let the Christmas chaos ensue. A holiday party isn't complete without a little tequila in the mix. Am I right? Like, if we don't have tequila, we don't have regrets. And if there are no regrets at a holiday party, did the holiday party even happen? So we're gonna make a margarita, but with spice and cranberry to make it a little holiday-ish, right? So we're gonna start with our spice. We're gonna put some cinnamon in it. Bear with me, it's gonna be delicious. A little bit of cinnamon, just a little bit. Right here, let's get a little bit of lime juice. Don't do too much lime juice. Nobody wants too much limey. And then I'm gonna use honey. Now you're supposed to use agave, but we're making these at home and not everybody has agave at home and it doesn't matter. Bartenders come at me in the comments. I said what I said. Just a little bit. There it goes. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna do a splash of cranberry, just a splash. Nothing too crazy. And then we got our tequila. Again, it's the holidays. Let's do 3 ounces. Nothing matters. We got through the year, right? All right, there's the tequila. I think we're gonna use, let's use silver brew glitter on this one. I think that's gonna really make it pop. Put it in there. It's a good amount. Okay. Back. Get us some ice. Oop. Spill the tequila on your hand so you can lick it. That was on purpose. So was that, friends. All right, let's, oh, look at it. It's already, we gotta shake this up. You gotta shake it up a little bit because of the agave / honey. It's gonna move at the bottom. Shake it, shake it. All right, oh my God. Are you ready for this? And we're gonna dump it all in there. We're just gonna dump, we're not gonna strain. We're just gonna dump it in there. Oh, ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Ooh, no one's gonna notice that you have to leave early because you accidentally told your boss that you were in love with him because you have a sparkly drink. All right, I know next week is New Year's, but I want to make a New Year's drink, and I'm the host of the show, so we're going to do what I want to do. We're going to make a New Year's drink. We are going to start out with the Brew Glitter New Year's Rimming Sugar. Look at that. Ooh, very, very 2025, right? All right, here we go. We got our champagne flute. We're just going to make champagne. We're going to make a sparkling Prosecco, literally a sparkling Prosecco. So we're gonna rim this. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that just scream I'm gonna get my life together in the new year? So we're gonna sparkle this up. We're gonna use the white brew glitter for this one. I think it's really gonna make the Prosecco pop. Here we go. And since it's sparkly, we don't need a whole lot of it because the bubbles are gonna sparkle it up for us. Here we go. All right, friends. And now we just add the Prosecco. You already know that bubblies are my kryptonite, so we gotta pour slow. Look at that sparkle already. It's gonna be worth it, I promise, I promise. Oh my gosh. Look at that sparkle. And look at these colors, gold, silver, and black, the perfect New Year's combination. Time for another audience question. This one comes from Mark from Norfolk, Virginia. I'm excited for cuffing season, and for a second, I thought I found the one. Oh, that's nice. She was a friend that told me a couple of months ago that she was starting to like me, and I played it cool, but low-key, I'm starting to like her too. But the other night when we were chilling at my place, I asked her what she was up to this weekend, and she said she was going on a date. Should I stay cold this cuffing season, or is there a way to bring this back around? All right, Mark. Women aren't mind readers. People aren't mind readers. Step it up, be a man, ask her on a date. I need a sip of my drink for this, Mark. Come on, buddy. Thank you so much, friends. That's our episode. If you've enjoyed Brew Glitter Variety Show so far, I would really love it if you subscribe to us on YouTube and followed us at Brew Glitter on Instagram. Have a safe and happy holidays, and we'll see you in 2025. Happy holidays.